Oh, wow. Look at what we got, Diva, so we could craft together.
We have a postcard that Christine from DIY Craftaholic sent me. Hi Aurea, I hope you like the things in your box. I know you will be able to create cute DIYs as you always do. The things in the bags are just a few tokens of friendship and because I am extra. Can't wait to see what you create. Happy crafting, Christine. So let's see what's in this box. This is from your personal stash, I see. Oh, this is so pretty. Perfect for the summer. And we have some bees and more bees. This is cute. These are adorable. Thank you, Christine. I can definitely craft with this. And these napkins, Christine, oh my God, they are so gorgeous. You know I'm crafting with these. Adorable. Oh my Lord, these are beautiful. Thank you so much. And she sent me some cloth. This is from the Craft to Square. This is beautiful. Oh wow, I love these flowers. You can never go wrong with flowers. Rosemary, this is gorgeous. And you know I'm gonna be crafting with that too. I've been wanting one of these houses and my Dollar Tree never has this particular one. Oh, I'm crafting with this. I love it. Yes, thank you. Oh my God, thank you. And these buckets, you can never go wrong. I craft a lot with these little buckets. And this is adorable. I can also craft with this. Oh, these items are so easy to do projects. I am loving it. Oh, this is so gorgeous. You could always do something with this. This is a 2 shells in 1. I love these wood dice. There's so much you can do with them. And this, oh, I already have my 3 projects. Oh my gorgeous. Christine, thank you so much. I am so happy. Let's get crafting, ladies. Beginning with our first project, I'm gonna start with this picture frame. I'm gonna go ahead, take it apart, and with this Beachcomber beige acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats. So I'm going to go ahead and put this frame to the side and I'm going to start working on these beautiful leaves. And I'll be taking 2 of them and I'll be giving it 1 coat with this sage acrylic paint by the brand Hello Hobby. So now I'm gonna let those leaves dry. And from Craft to Square, this is what I bought. This is so pretty. So I'll be taking one of these scrapbook papers out of here and that's going to be my base for the background. So I'm putting this frame back together and I pressed down too hard, so I wind up cracking the glass. Plan B, I'm gonna have to use the 3rd leaf. But if I just put them, I was playing with them, but no matter how, I had to use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat with the same acrylic paint that I painted the frame, Beachcomber beige. And now for the fun part, I'm gonna start decorating the frame with these leaves. And once I'm done, you won't even know that that glass is cracked. I have this pre-made bowl that I have from a different project that I disassembled, and I'm gonna start decorating it along with these white flowers. I'm also going to use pieces of this fern. And look at how beautiful this looks. So now I'm gonna take this white rope, I'm gonna unravel it. I'm gonna take a small piece and with some hot glue, I'm gonna glue it back here. And this is how we are going to put this on the wall. And look how beautiful this turned out. Guys, I am so excited because today marks the beginning of an exciting summer mystery box swap, a collaboration event where participant exchanges boxes filled with creative treasures. Each of us must create at least 3 unique DIY projects using the items we have received. I received a deluxe-full box from Christine, DIY Craftaholic, and in return, I sent my box to Charlene, Crafty Arts Shark. I'll be leaving the links down to my description box to all of these talented creators. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like to all of these channels. And most important, watch the video all the way until the end so you won't miss any of their inspirations. And now let's get started with our second DIY. And for the second project, this is nice and easy, simple, yet so absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with this Beachcomber beige from Apple Barrel. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this sage color. This is going to turn out so beautiful. I thought that the windows were looking a little too dark, so I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat with this white chalk paint very lightly. As you can see, I'm not even stroking the brush, I'm just tapping it. The minute I saw this napkin, I knew that I was going to DIY with it. This is so absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to cut a piece. I'm going to take the double lining out as well. And with some Mod Podge, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on top of the roof. I'm also going to add more Mod Podge once I cut the excess tissue out, or I should say napkin. So once the second layer of the Mod Podge is laid out, I'm going to come in with a nail file and then I'm going to cut all the excess napkin. I have this rope from Dollar Tree, of course, and this cylinder that I thrifted. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this rope around 4 different times. So now let's go ahead and start decorating it. I have this white sand that's gonna go in there. And then I have the house that we just painted together. I have a little rose bush that I'm gonna be putting right here. And this is it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. I have this little bucket from Dollar General. It was 90% off when the season was gone. I think it was like 2 years. I paid 10 cents. I'm going to be removing the handle and also this little tag over here. And I'm going to be giving it one coat with the same color that we've been using throughout the video. So once it's completely dry, I'm going to come back with the same napkin that Christine sent me. I'll cut a piece and then I'm going to wrap the entire barrel. Well, the middle of the barrel. And of course, make sure to take the second ply out. Other than that, this napkin will not stick correctly. I'm applying some Mod Podge to attach the napkin to the flower pot, ensuring a smooth and even finish. To facilitate folding it, I'm carefully cutting little pieces at the bottom with the scissors. So now I'm just adding a little bit of Mod Podge here and there, just securing it. And now that that is all set and done, I'm coming in with this baker's twine and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around the little flower pot. You recall those exciting rosemary flowers that arrived in the box? And now the moment has come to put them to use. Their beauty is truly captivating. And now for the final reveal. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.